Hello, good day everyone. This video tutorial is to learn how to install plugins in WordPress, and this is part of the full video tutorial that I posted last time about how to create a WordPress website and earn profit with affiliate marketing. If you want to see the full video tutorials of creating websites using WordPress and earn $500 or more, you must watch this, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to all videos that I make about online businesses and online jobs. Check down on my description box, because I put the link of my full video tutorials and the separated content. So stay tuned. And in this part I will show you how you can install plugin. So initially, before going to step how you can install plugin, the main thing is you have to know what is plugin. So plugin is a setup program which is like app. So whenever you buy a new mobile, buy any new Android phone or any iPhone, so you used to download some app, maybe from a store or maybe from Google Plus too. So these are like something called as a plugin in WordPress. So for WordPress, you will get different kinds of plugin depending upon your functionality. Depending upon the criteria you can install, you can download plugins and you can install. So initially we can install the plugin in different ways. But as for the tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way. So if you go to left sidebar, you will see the plugin option. So here you will see have three options. One is installed plugin. This page will reflect all the installed plugin as of now. What is there? A new website, new WordPress website template. So to add new plugins, you have to click on add new. So once you click on add new, we have certain setup options by which we can add plugins. So for example, this is the place to be, this is the store kind of option. Like for example in the Google Play, you will get Google Play Store kind of option. Okay, so even you can search any plugin whatever you want as part your requirements. And of course, if you don't want to search, if you want to see what are all the popular plugins are there, you can simply click on popular and it will automatically show what is the popular plugins all over the world, a WordPress community. So you can simply, even if you have some recommendation, maybe if your template is looking for some plugins that is recommended, it will come under the section. Even the same way you can just check out the tablet options, and these are some premium plugins. So premium plugins in the sense like in Google Play, you have to option. One is for free app, one is for paid app. The same way in WordPress plugin store, there is two kinds of option, one is free and one is premium. So these are all premium. The premium options, premium plugins are needed to pay for the plugins, but initially there is no need to pay for any kind of premium plugins as for my requirement. And if you want, you can go for econ, just check it out. You can just have a look what role the premium account of premium plugins. Also, if you have any plugins to upload, you can simply click on upload plugin and you will get one option to browse the plugin, and you can easily upload and activate. So once you click on browse, you click on a browser file, it will redirect to upload the plugin option, then it will ask you for activating to unit to activate. Once you upload the plugin, that's all what you need to do. So initially for this purpose, for the today purpose, I'm just installing one of the plugin just to show you how you can install. So if you just simply go to this section, if you can search any of the plugin, but if as I can see in popular section, Yoast SEO, it is very important plugin for SEO. So I'm installing this plugin. So I have to simply, if you don't know what all plugins you need to install, what are all the things, you can simply go to popular section and maximum of the plugins. It will help you for it to run new WordPress. It's very smooth way. So once you install the plugin, you have to simply click on install. See like this, install now button. Welcome like this, and once it is installed, it will come with as activate. So you have to installing the plugin, you have to click on activate. So the main thing is you have to download install in the sense like you are downloading app in our mobile, same way it is downloading to work the server, and after it completes downloading, then we need to activate it. That's it. So from the plugins section, like if I say the plugins, and these are all plugins what I have installed in my WordPress website, and in this template you will get pre-installed some plugins that is extremely cool. If you want you can use it, if you don't want, if you can delete it, you can deactivate it at any point of time. There is nothing to worry. And that's all for today. Next video is to learn how to create pages like about services and contact us page in WordPress, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video tutorials.